Welcome back to my channel, Curious Jayansha. So today I'm going to make a beautiful ocean theme bookmark. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Curious Jayansha. So let's start. To make this bookmark, I'm using a shiny glittery blue paper. Now I'll draw the mermaid tail. Cutout is ready. Now I have also cut this hard white paper to make this paper more hard. Now I'll stick it. Now I'm going to use blue and white sequins and stick it on this mermaid tail. It's ready. Now I'll take a pencil and put a hole here. Now I will draw the shell on this glittery pinky paper. See, the shell is ready. Now I will cut it. See, the shell is ready. Now I'll take the shiny light pink glittery paper and I'll draw the shell's decoration. See, now all the cutouts are ready. Now I will put the fairy on this cuttings. Now I'll put pearls on it. See, the shell is ready. Now I'll tie the tail of the mermaid and the shell. Dive into a good book. You can also make this bookmark at your